Hey everybody, it's Adam from Wicked Cushions here. Today we're going to be answering the question of how to turn off your Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones. It's kind of a silly question, seems straightforward, but this year Bose changed the way you turn on and off their headphones from how people traditionally were used to it, and so we're going to show you how it's done. There's actually two ways of turning these headphones on and off. Right now the headphones are on, and most people would try to push and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds, but in this case that puts them into pairing mode. For the Bose 700, all you have to do is single tap the button and it will turn them off, and as you can see, the light is off and now they're turned off. The second way is through the auto turn off setting, which is in the app. However, we don't recommend that because it uses motion, and if you're sleeping or meditating, the headphones will just turn off on you. So we do recommend using the physical button as the best method of turning on and off your headphones. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope it helped you figure out how to turn on and off your headphones. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel as we release new content all the time.